So what's the plan for today? I'm going to do a split base straw blown flowery thing. I'm going to do red on one side, black on the other side, and I'm going to drag the titanium white. I'm going to swipe it over the top with a plastic thing. I'm going to swipe it over the top. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's weird. I just keep doing it. Swipe some titanium white over some colors. And then grab a straw and blow some things out. And see how it turns out. dried result. Yeah, I really love the drama of this piece, even though like it's lighter than usual. I really love the black and how I didn't touch the black graphite, and then the finished piece. It dried really beautiful. Yeah, like you can see it's nice and flat. Canvas might not be, but this is. I would like to figure out how I can do something more with this technique, because I really love it. Like I love like the deepness of these flowers and how they turned out, but it's really pretty. So you could technically hang it this way, or this way, or just, I guess just keep spinning like a clock. Maybe I should just make it into a clock. I don't know. I just making stuff up as I go. I really love the deep red of the flowers. Like they're just stunning. Like if you could see them up close, like I don't know, with the lighting. Ugh. You know what? Why don't I just shut the lighting off? Why don't we try that? Hold on a sec. So if I shut the lights out, like can you see like the drama of the red? Like look how pretty. Still not. Oh, there we go. Like the red is just stunning. Like I love the deepness of the red. It's really nice. Oh, and I finished out my sides, so my sides are looking pretty good. I painted them all black just because it was a split base and it looked kind of not so great along the edges. But yeah, she's pretty. It hasn't been varnished yet, but yeah, I don't know. That'll be step number 2, but for now, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Please, if you like my content so far, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you know when I make a new video. Anyway, ciao for now. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video. If you really like this straw-blown flower thing, I got a playlist over here that you can just kind of check out, and you can watch some more, you can binge watch some more of my stuff and get all kinds of different inspirations with blowing out flowers with a straw. Because, you know, don't we all like to do that? Anyway, ciao for now.